Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a case in which the additions were made on the basis of a piece of paper which was found in the survey proceedings on the assessee, and the assessee has completely denied the contents of the paper, and the assessing officer made the additions of the amount which was written on that piece of paper in cash. So whether these type of additions only on the basis of the contents of the paper, which is not backed up by the corroborative and credible evidence, is justified. This matter has been taken up by Mumbai ITAT B bench in the case of BKS Galaxy Realtors LLP versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal at page number 175. The date of the judgment is 31st July 2024. In the present case, the assessee is a assessee which is in the business of construction of commercial and residential buildings. A survey was conducted on the assessee, and in the drawer of a director of the company, a paper was found. In that paper, some amounts was written which was received in cash by the assessee, and some amounts were written which were received in check by the assessee for the sale of flats. The assessee denied the contents of this paper, but the assessing officer, while making the assessment, added back the amount of cash received into the income of the assessee on the ground that this cash received has not been accounted as income in the books of the assessee. The assessee contended that the names which were written on the piece of the paper, to whom the sale of flats was not done ultimately, so that cash income should not be taken into the income of the assessee. But the assessing officer confirmed the additions. When this matter came to the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal restricted the addition at the rate of 25.04% of the profit element on those cash payments. The assessee filed further appeals, and when the further appeal was filed, the tribunal said that in the present case, the focal point of making the addition was only that piece of paper which was found in the drawer of the director and whose contents were denied by the assessee and by the director of that company. The tribunal said that in the present case, the assessing officer has grossly failed to produce the corroborative and credible evidence other than that piece of paper which was denied by the assessee. The tribunal said that in the present case, the additions which were made on the basis of cash received from the buyers, those buyers were not ultimately sold any flats, so the addition cannot be made. The tribunal said that in the present case, the assessing officer has made the addition on the basis of the cash received against the sale of flats in all the cases. The tribunal said that when the agreement to sale take place, every agreement is a different agreement, so the same cash or the same rate of cash which is received by the assessee cannot be applied for all the sale agreements or for all the sale of flats. The tribunal said that buyers who gave the reply, their reply was not discussed in the assessment order, so the assessing officer could not have resorted to extrapolation only on the basis of presumptions and assumptions. In the present case, the assessee has also paid professional fees for obtaining the loan from the Punjab National Bank, and to verify these payment of consultancy fees, the assessing officer has issued the notices to the payees, but the payees do not reply to those notices, and even they do not have filed the return. So the assessing officer made the addition on the basis that since they didn't reply to the notices given by the assessee, and they have not filed their returns of income, so these expenses are not genuine. when this matter was taken up by the tribunal said that in the present case there is no denying the fact that the loan has been obtained and the payment has been made by deducting the TDS. So only on the basis that they have not responded to the notices under section 133 subsection 6 or the paid didn't have filed the returns, the additions cannot be made. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is BKS Galaxy Realtors LLP versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 116 ITR Tribunal at page number 175. The date of the judgment is 31st July 2024. Thank you, friends.